welcome to East West Beats. Hope you've been enjoying all the content that we've been making. Gonna make a super quick video on how to make hi-hats that go up and down in pitch. Fairly common in the trap genre nowadays. So here I have a hi-hat, so let's play the hi-hat. Pretty simple, just gonna bring that voice down a little bit. All right, so first thing, what you're gonna do is convert it to a sampler track, and you're gonna make it a region. Now I'm gonna make it start at, let's say, C1. You can choose this wherever. You can also change this later, right? I'm gonna hit OK. So now I'm just gonna mute this audio channel and just unmute this EXS24 instrument that I created. You can see that the hi-hat is added as part of the EXS24. You go in there, you can click edit, and then you can see that right now the hi-hat is only being triggered by this particular key. What you can do though is you can expand it to go all the way up to C1, and let's say even you want to go down to C2. All right, we've kept the original hi-hat at C1, so anything lower will play a lower hi-hat, anything higher will play a higher hi-hat. That's all you have to do. Do that. You can hit save. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to go in here and let's just choose one bar. Okay. We're going to choose the pencil tool and just write in the hi-hats. Let's do every other one. So this is going to be a regular hi-hat. But what you can do is you can take these hi-hats and you can move them down, and you can see they're changing in pitch. So you can even make a downward, and you can also make them go up if you want. And that's how you make rolling hi-hats. And then let's say you want to change how frequent they play. Just kind of change it, bring it back here, and start writing them. That's how you make hi-hats that roll in pitch in Logic Pro X. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want the notifications right away, hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. I'll see you guys at the next one.